rambutan. Very, very cold. Here, puro face. We're here at Pembina River. Very, very cold. Very, very cold. We're spending time with mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. Look, very, very pretty. Very, very pretty ang Beryl. Ang Beryl, very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Hi, Ken. Kaya po, ay, no kissing. Yeah, here. Parang Pembina River. Very, very happy birthday. Here, row your boat. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Nandito naman po kami. Ito po, nag-uulat si Buang. Nasa Pembina. Today is Saturday, June 13, 2026. Birthday ng mahal kong asawa. Batiin natin siya. Gayang happy birthday! Paabo. Ow! Very cold. Ay! Lang ang pag-uulat ko, malaalon. Bak na, mamaalon na. Ito po si Pogi, nag-uulat. Bye-bye.